The Internet of Things is one of the fastest growing and disruptive technologies of our time. This is the decade of IoT. The number of connections across cellular and LPWA technologies are expected to grow to 80 billion connections by 2030. And by 2024, eSIM sales are expected to cross $1 billion. A significant portion of that growth is going to come from one key vertical, fleet management. But scaling IoT still has some big challenges. Pilots are easy, but deployments are hard. One primary reason is because IoT devices are generally manufactured in one country on one carrier network, tested in another country with a different network, and deployed in several others with various carriers and networks. Logistics managers are left to figure out which country, which network, and which connectivity technologies to plan for. A second pain point is the sunsetting of network technologies, as we recently discovered with the 3G sunset. Millions of perfectly functional devices were unable to connect, leaving customers with costly truck rollouts to replace SIMs. So what do you do if you are looking to launch the next fleet tracking application, and not sure about how to manage the complexity of getting your product out of the door in a timely manner? Core Wireless is focused on exactly solving these problems by making IoT deployments super simple to manage and scale. Let's hear more from Sundar Somasundaram on how the Core OmniSIM product can help tackle these issues.
Hey guys, my name is Sundar, and today I want to talk to you about an exciting new technology in IoT, eSIM. So what's an eSIM? At a very basic level, an eSIM is just like a regular SIM card, but it has the ability to run some software on it. And this allows you to do things like change the carrier or the network. So why is this important in IoT? Well, for starters, you don't have to worry about changing out your SIM if you decide to change the carrier. And that can get really complicated if the device is on millions of trucks all over the country. Next, you have a single SKU that just works out of the box, irrespective of carriers or regions. So the next question is, if you're deploying IoT devices out in the field, how would you use this? At Core, we've made this super simple. The eSIM is installed on the device at the time of manufacturing. The device is shipped with something called as a test-ready state. This allows you to send a little bit of test data to make sure everything is working. Once the device is deployed, the connectivity can actually be switched to an actual carrier profile. Now let's assume a couple of scenarios. You don't like the coverage or you found a better carrier. You can use our platform to remotely switch the profile and it's done. The other scenario can be where the network technology is going away and you can do the same profile switch and change your connectivity. Here's a quick demo on how all of this works on the Core Connectivity Pro platform.
In this Connectivity Pro how-to video, we shall run through eSIM bulk switching. From the Subscriptions tab, select eSIM and then Switch. Here you can select SIMs or paste in the SIMs. Once you press Done, then press Proceed. Here you'll be able to select the service type. And now the activation profile. Press Continue. Here you'll get an overview page where you can review, press Continue and Done. Now move to the Request tab. Here you'll be able to follow the progress of the 6 eSIMs as they go through their switch, from In-Session Check, Assign New Profile, Download Profile, Activate Profile, Enable Profile, Deactivate Old Profile, and finally completed. Below, you can also track the list of SIMs that are going through this process. As you can see, from the EID to the old ICC ID through to the new ICC ID and the status. The status will show various stages. For example, red, failed to download profile, yellow, which means it's still in progress, for example, waiting for session, enable profile requested, and finally green for completed. If the devices switch off or lose coverage during the process, a retry can be triggered. Here we're selecting the SIMs that are going to go through the retry and press Confirm and Done. Here, the SIMs will go through the same process again. The summary bar will show you the live progress of those bulk switch requests underneath in the grid. As you can see, the SIMs that we've pulled through the retry process have now started to turn green with the completed status. Once all 6 eSIMs have been completed, you will have a complete and successful request. If you like more information on the individual SIM, you can press a little down arrow for more information on the deactivate and activate request. Please note the eSIM bulk switch process has been shortened for this video.
So if you're interested in trying this out and just seeing how all of this works, just go get your free eSIM starter kit. The link's in the description below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.